All right, so here we're looking at algebra notes for completing the square. Completing the square is a really, really important process. The Regents exam in the most recent years are totally obsessed with it. I'll abbreviate complete the square with CTS every now and then, so just be aware of that. So like I said, the Regents exam, they ask at least 2 questions per test on this process. So it is important and it will get asked. So now what it is, completing the square is a process that is used to take a quadratic equation that's written in standard form. And so if you recall, the standard form of a quadratic equation is that y equals, or f of x, ax squared plus bx plus c. And so that's where when this title says a equals 1, that coefficient that you have for a there will be equal to 1 in these examples. Next lesson we'll get into when there's a GCF involved. So again, the purpose of completing the square is to take a quadratic equation in standard form and rewrite it so it is in what's called vertex form, or shifted. Like the shifts, how something is being shifted. And that form of the equation is y equals a parentheses x minus h quantity squared plus k. And in this shifted form, we can see that h comma k is the vertex, which, if we have the vertex, that means that we have the axis of symmetry as well. So the AOS, the axis of symmetry, would be equal to x equals h, whatever that h value is. The purpose of this, why this is a thing, why this is something that we do, the purpose of this is so that we can easily see the shifts and the vertex, hence the name of the form. Back in the day, once upon a long time ago, this was used before graphing calculators existed and you graphed everything by hand, this was used to help graph. It made graphing quadratics a lot easier. So yeah, okay, we'll take a look at this process and